Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best jewelry making tools is probably one of the most essential investments a budding or seasoned artisan can make, as the right equipment can transform a simple hobby into a professional craft, allowing for intricate designs and durable creations that truly stand out in a crowded marketplace. Number 5. PAXCOO Jewelry Making Supplies Kit with Tools. Discover the ultimate kit for all your jewelry making and repair needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to create stunning pieces. It includes 3 essential pliers, round nose, wire cutting, and chain nose. Designed with non-slip handles and double leaf springs for precision and comfort. You'll find over 845 jewelry findings, including various jump rings, clasps, eye pins, and earring hooks. Let your imagination run wild with endless possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this kit makes jewelry making and repairs effortless. It's ideal for DIY projects, beading, and more. This all-inclusive kit comes with pliers, copper wire, beading string, needles, tweezers, a caliper, and a handy zip pouch. Get ready to start creating right away. Don't worry if the pliers have a protective oil coating to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage to maintain their condition. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone starting out in jewelry making. It includes not only the essential pliers but also a vast array of findings and wires to get you creating immediately. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter pack that lets you dive right into projects without needing to buy separate components, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a lot of the needed supplies to make jewelry. The pliers are a perfect fit. The quality is great for beginners and the findings is a great silver color. The contents of this kit is great for any beginner in jewelry making. Contains wire, pliers, measuring tape and various hardware for jewelry making. Good starter kit for beading and wire wrapping gemstones. Very nicely presented with a place for all the extra places. Number 4. The Beadsmith Wire Looping Pliers. Meet the perfect plier for all your jewelry making needs. It's designed for versatility, allowing you to easily bend, shape, and loop metal wire for custom creations. Effortlessly create 6 different loop sizes, from 2mm to 9mm. This makes crafting consistent loops, jump rings, and ear wires simpler than ever. Crafted with European design standards, this tool features a polished steel head and durable construction for long-lasting use. It's built to be your reliable crafting companion. Designed for extended use, its comfortable handles reduce hand fatigue. The smooth operation makes it perfect for even the longest crafting sessions. A must-have for crafters of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced designers. This plier is a reliable addition to any jewelry making toolkit. Achieve professional quality results with ease. It's perfect for creating consistent loops, jump rings, ear wires, and decorative wire elements for all your projects. What we like. If you're focused on creating consistent and professional-looking loops and jump rings, this specialized plier is a game-changer. Its ability to produce 6 different loop sizes with comfort for extended use makes it ideal for those who frequently work with wire shaping and need precision. Consider this if you're looking to elevate your wire wrapping or ear wire creation. What people say. Love the quality of this pliers. They are really useful for my jewelry designs. I can make jump rings, create earring hooks, shape the wire evenly if I need perfect circles. Great tool for jewelry makers. Good quality looping pliers. Feel comfortable. Smooth finish, which is important. One of the larger pairs I could find. I use stainless and copper wires, 20 to 12 gauge to make mobiles. These pliers are sturdy and precise and just the right size. Number 3. Mr. Penn Jewelry Making Pliers Set. Introducing the Mr. Penn 3-pack Jewelry Pliers Set. This essential kit includes chain nose, round nose, and wire cutter pliers, perfect for all your crafting needs. Each tool features comfortable, blue handles for a secure grip. The round nose pliers have curved edges, making loop and curve formation effortless. The long needle nose pliers are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for picking up, placing, shaping, and holding small objects with precision. Your new pliers may arrive with a protective oil coating to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage to keep them in top condition. Whether you're a professional jeweler or a DIY enthusiast, these pliers are designed to help you create beautiful pieces with ease. These tools are perfect for intricate tasks like beading, wire wrapping, working with jump rings, and general jewelry repair. What we like. This set offers the 3 most crucial pliers for basic jewelry tasks in a convenient package. The design, especially the curved edges on the round nose pliers, makes intricate work more manageable. If you need a reliable trio of tools for general repairs, beading, or simple wire wrapping without a large investment, this set is a practical choice. What people say. The pliers are comfortable to hold, easy to control, and well-sized for detailed work. The wire cutters cut cleanly, and the other pliers are perfect for bending and shaping without slipping. Great quality pliers for a fair price. Very durable, sturdy grip and comfortable to use. I use them to fix some jewelry pieces and make keychains and they work perfectly. The wire cutters are super sharp, which is great. The round nose pliers work really well on floral wire on up to other thicknesses. And inside the package, they add a little thank you card with a little mustache sticker LOL. I also love that it's 3 different colors, so I don't have to look real close of which pliers I'm grabbing, I can see immediately which is which. Number 2. NEWACALOX 8-piece jewelry plier set. This premium 8-piece plier set includes all the essential tools you need for any jewelry project. Crafted for quality and versatility, they enhance your designs from simple to intricate. Work comfortably for extended periods with our rubber-coated, anti-slip handles that minimize hand fatigue. The spring design and comfortable grip make bending and cutting easier. Made from durable high-grade carbon steel with a polished finish, these tools are engineered for precision and lasting use. They are designed to not leave marks on your materials. Suitable for both beginners and experts, this kit supports various jewelry-making techniques like wire wrapping, looping, and crimping. They offer creative flexibility to bring your vision to life. Maintain an orderly crafting area with the stylish wooden base that neatly holds all 8 pliers. This setup streamlines your workflow and keeps your tools organized and ready for use. Master intricate details with these precision-crafted tools. The fine-tipped pliers are perfect for detailed touches, while others help create flawless loops and curves for your delicate projects. Beautifully packaged and comprehensive, this set is the ideal gift for jewelers, craft enthusiasts, or professionals. Inspire creativity and passion in jewelry making and DIY crafts. What we like. For those who appreciate an organized workspace and a comprehensive set of tools, this 8-piece plier kit with a wooden holder is an excellent option. It covers a wide range of jewelry making techniques and prioritizes comfort for long crafting sessions. If you're a beginner or intermediate crafter who values having all your essential tools neatly stored and accessible, this set will streamline your creative process. What people say. Seem to be sturdy and the wooden storage is a nice addition. Solid quality and I love the wooden holding case. The stand is brilliant because THR handles are all the same color so it makes it simple to see which pliers you want to use. The carbon steel is very durable. Number 1. Toolour 8-piece jewelry plier set. Introducing the Toolour 8-piece jewelry plier set, your all-in-one solution for intricate jewelry creation. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of pliers designed for every task. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, these tools are built for durability and precision. They are heat-treated for strength and coated to prevent rust, ensuring they last for years. Keep your workspace tidy with the included wooden pallet. This specially designed tray provides safe and convenient storage for all your pliers, making your crafting process smoother. Experience superior performance with hardened jaws that offer maximum gripping strength. They are perfect for cutting wires, trimming small metal pieces, and detailed electronic repairs. Work comfortably for longer periods thanks to the ergonomic blue silicone grip handles. The self-opening double-leaf spring design reduces hand fatigue and increases efficiency in your projects. Whether you're beading, wrapping wire, or repairing necklaces, these versatile tools are essential. They are ideal for jewelry making, DIY crafts, and various repair tasks. What we like. This 8-piece set is built for durability and comfort, featuring heat-treated carbon steel for long-term use and ergonomic silicone grips to reduce fatigue. It includes a variety of pliers perfect for detailed work and general crafting. If you're looking for robust tools that can handle frequent use and provide a comfortable experience for extended jewelry making or repair projects, this set is a solid investment. What people say. The tools work great, but they don't fit well in the wood palette. Overall, I love the tools. The tools are very comfortable in hand. The cutters in this set are greater than any cutters I have purchased, except for my Tronex. The wooden block stand is nice and convenient. I am very impressed with the quality of this set of tools. They are all very well made. But the tools make up for that, as they are some of the best pliers I have owned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.